£9,000. It is the hardest budget in 2025 for the used car market. For this money, you can buy absolute junk that can bankrupt you in 6 months. Or you can find a genuine bulletproof car that will last you another decade. And try to guess, will German cars be in the today's list? So today I give you the ultimate list of 10 best used cars you can buy under £9,000. I've split them into 3 main categories: SUVs, small cars, and family sedan and estates. And this isn't just my opinion, it's an analysis of liquidity, TCO, reliability to give you the smartest solution. Starting with the most popular segment, SUVs. Here you need ground clearance, space and reliability, not a fancy badge. I've chosen cars not older than 10 years, so they all started from 2015 and with miles under 80k. Number 1. Honda CR-V 2015-2016. This one's the king of reliability and space. At 8,000–9,000 pounds, not easy but still possible to find decent models under 80,000 miles. The CR-V has one of the best dependability ratings out there, scoring 85 from 100 in warranty-wise with average repair bills around 600 pounds. It's known for minimum mechanical headaches and strong conventional powertrains. Just watch out the diesel models that were used in city mode because they can kill the DPF. If you can, go for a petrol version or diesel with a well-documented history. I can say that it is the safest SUV choice in this price range. Number 2. Mini Countryman 2016-2017, 8,000–9,000 pounds. Fun to drive, stylish, surprisingly spacious and bit risky buy, but for my opinion still deserve to be in the list. Some owners report zero issues even after 100k miles. Others have clutch or high pressure fuel pump failures. Reliability is middle on the road, 3 out of 5 in repair pal. You are paying for a premium feel, so you must be ready for a higher maintenance bills for electronics and suspension. If you buy this, demand full service history and budget for premium servicing. Number 3. Hyundai Tucson of 2015-2017. If you want stress-free SUV, this is your middle ground. This is strong, simple, naturally aspired petrol engine. You avoid the high-risk diesels and complex turbos. It's a reliable, straightforward family SUV with low running costs. Most owners report nothing major if serviced regularly. Just stay away from fancy DCT gearboxes or odd engine variants. Next part, your urban champions. Here economy and hassle-free ownership are key. And car number 4 is Mazda 2 2015-2017. Light, sharp and incredibly dependable. Mazda kept this just simple. No turbo, no nonsense, just solid engineering. Almost nothing goes wrong apart from the occasional rust spots on the arches or underbody. Verdict: perfect for new drivers or city use. Easy to own, easy to fix. And if you watch till this moment and still don't subscribe to my channel, time to do it now. Number 5. Toyota Yaris Hybrid. The Yaris Hybrid is a legend, 93% plus of reliability in water car service and thousands of happy owners online. ULEZ-friendly, fuel-efficient and still holds value like a crazy. Just make sure that the hybrid system were serviced regularly. If it's sat unused for months, batteries can get lazy, but that's rare. Verdict: one of the best small car buys of the decade. Number 6. Honda Civic 2015-2017. Actually a no-drama hatchback, just keeps going. Drivers regularly report 200k miles with basic maintenance. Comfortable, practical and more fun to drive than people expect. Avoid risky engine, gearbox combos. Stick to the proven units with a clear service history. Verdict: great all-rounder for anyone who wants peace of mind. For motorway miles and family duty you need comfort, space and robust engines, and now I am talking about sedans and estate cars. And as I said in the beginning of the video, will be there German cars So, number 7 is BMW 3 Series F31 Touring, starting from 2015 year. The driver's estate, sharp handling, premium feel and good comfort. Actually, it's more reliable than people think. What car gave it 96.5% in their reliability index? It offers the best driving feel in the segment, but only buy it with a complete documented service history. Summary: amazing to drive, but maintenance discipline is a key. Number 8. Škoda Octavia Estate version from 2015-2016. You get the robust Volkswagen Golf technology, but with the biggest boot in its class. It's the ultimate smart family workhorse with low running costs. It's a car that just works quietly, efficiently and for years. And if it's a DSG version, check for proper oil changes and smooth shifts. Number 9. Toyota Avensis 2015-2017 years. This is the often overlooked reliability gem. Personally, I like the exterior design, and it still looks good in 2025. The 1.8 Volmatic is simple, naturally aspired engine with strong reputation. Yes, the VAD tax might be slightly higher, but you pay this tax to secure its legendary reliability and avoid major big repairs. What car ranked it among the most reliable executive cars? 95% plus score. Small quirks like leaky boot seals can appear, but mechanically it's rock solid. The conclusion: perfect for long-term family ownership. Number 10. Volkswagen Passat from 2015. A well-maintained Passat offers superior motorway comfort and build quality. Warning: finding a clean one for 9k pounds is a tricky question. You must scrutinize a service history, especially for DSG gearbox's maintenance. Some models had expensive sensor and electronics faults. Some are practical but not bulletproof. Check everything twice. In conclusion, add a bit: all listed above should serve you well. So, was helpful? Subscribe for more.